Good morning everyone, welcome to Il Paraiso and happy Sunday. So this time, titingnan natin yung aking mga orchids, my green babies here at Il Paraiso. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will always be updated. So at this point, we will have a quick walk and titingnan natin what are the improvements of my green babies here at the garden. Okay, so this is my Vanda Lusonica X, Vanda Tessellata. Okay, so tingnan ninyo, napaka-healthy po ng kanyang mga root tips. Yan, actually, dati, I hung this in a single wire, but I decided to place this, in this Madrid de Cacao. And tingnan ninyo, napakaganda po ng kanyang improvement. So, kahit merong mga sunburn, yung kanyang dahon, kasi dati nilagay ko ito exposed sa sun. So nung makita ko na masunog yung kanyang dahon, so I decided to place this under the net. And this time I decided to place this dito sa kahoy, and then tingnan ninyo, napakaganda po ng kanyang improvement. Okay, so another one I have here, this is my one of my Vanda Manisaki that I bought from Sistuna Garden. And tingnan ninyo, napaka-healthy, Actually, I think this is already a month or two here sa Il Paraiso, and then napakaganda po ng kanyang tubo, napaka-healthy ng kanyang mga root tips. But I am so happy to see this one because meron siyang spike. Tingnan ninyo, meron siyang spike, napaka-healthy na spike. I hope ito ay magtuloy-tuloy, Kasi this is already a matured form when I bought this at Sistuna Farm. Okay, so tingnan ninyo, this one, this is, pag sinabi talaga nating rare, literal talaga na rare ang Vanda Manisaki. So, if this will be, kung ito ay magtuloy-tuloy yung kanyang bloom, magtuloy-tuloy ang kanyang bloom. So, this is the first time na talagang we could be able to witness, the beauty of Manisaki. Before, I have one Manisaki here because that was bought from Raquel Flowers Garden in Davao. Yung story doon is bumili ako sa kanya nung Sanderiana Alba. Alam naman natin na yung Sanderiana Alba ay medyo pricey. So, ang ginawa doon is hindi nag-survive yung Vanda Sanderiana or Sanderiana Alba rather. So, we had an agreement na kung pwede, kasi sayang din naman yung pera, kung pwede, palitan niya na lang ng isang variety at yung kanyang ipinalit ay Vanda Manisaki. So, that Vanda Manisaki, it was a keiki, yung mother plant noon ay ginamit sa orchid show at nanalo. So, sayang lang kasi hindi siya nag-improve dito sa garden. And aside from that, nung inilipat ko na siya sa kahoy, hindi siya nag-survive. So, talagang nanghinayang ako, Sayang talaga kasi that was rare. And then, wala ka na talagang makita, sa mga laboratory. So, kaya wala tayong magawa kasi namatay. So, nung nag-live si Ma'am Honey doon sa isang farm sa Davao, meron siyang nabanggit na Vanda Manisaki. So, kaya yung ginawa ko, I bought 2 pieces para kung hindi mag-survive yung isa, at least meron, 'di ba? So kahit medyo pricey siya, okay lang. Okay, so and I am so happy that this time meron na siyang spike, no? Okay, so aalagaan natin 'yan para magtuloy-tuloy at makakita talaga tayo the first time na makakita ako ng real na Manisaki flower, kasi kadalasan nakita ko lang siya sa online sa Google. So this time, let us try to compare yung talagang maganda siya. No? When I post this aking YouTube channel, I will provide a sample. No? I will provide a sample flower. So para maikumpara natin when this bloom at saka yung maipost ko sa mamaya sa aking YouTube channel. Okay. So, another one. Okay, ito yon, no? This is the second Manisaki that I bought. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, yun po. No? Okay. Yan. Yan po siya. And, I am so happy kasi tingnan ninyo, no? Talagang nag-survive siya. Surviving na talaga kasi yung kanyang ugat dumikit na doon sa kahoy. Okay, that's why I plan talaga na mag-purchase ng mga Madridi cacao para hindi masayang yung orchid, no? Kasi yung Madridi cacao matibay talaga siya, and that is really good for orchids. Okay, so tingnan ninyo, okay, yung kanyang mga ugat. So I have two here. So at least yung isa meron na siyang spike, aabangan natin, and then aabangan natin yun, at saka we could be able to see and witness the beauty of her flower. Okay, another thing is, no, tutukan na lang natin yung mga I considered rare, I considered collection here at Il Paraiso. Okay. So another one is this. Now this is a Vanda Ustii. Actually dalawa ang aking Vanda Ustii. Okay, so isa din 'yon, saka isa ito. Both of this nabili ko ito sa online selling, no? This is actually coming from Rowell's Garden. Okay, so both of this Vanda Ustii nabili ko sa kanila. And then I have also a Vanda Ustii na binigay sa akin ni Sir Moon, no? Nung nagbisita ako sa kanya, meron akong ilang orchids na nabili, no? Vanda Sanderiana at saka Sanderiana alba. Meron siyang binigay sa akin na Vanda Ustii. Okay, so maganda ito, no? This is actually an endemic as well, no, in Philippine orchids, kasi talagang kakaunti na lang ang merong ganito sa garden. And then kasi kadalasan ngayon crossbreed na yung Ustii, they breed this to Tisalata, they breed this to other orchid species. Dito, this is actually rare, no? Hindi siya breed. So meron tayo ditong dalawa, at saka isa yung binigay sa akin ni Sir Mon. Okay, so here, no, if you try to look at this section of my orchid, of my garden, no, ito yung bagong lipat, bagong tanim, pero ang maganda dito, unti-unti talaga silang nag-survive, no? Tingnan niyo, no? If you are an orchid lover and when you see your orchids growing like this, talagang that could lessen your stress, no? That could lessen your stress. This one as well. Okay. So some of this one, no? So meron ako ditong iilan na mga Vanda Sanderiana na talagang inaabangan ko kasi malapit na yung August. Kasi kaya this morning when I plan to visit the garden, talagang excited ako na ay baka meron akong makita na may spike na Vanda Sanderiana. Kasi June na ngayon, this is the next week is the last week, no, of June, kasi 30 na last day, and then the following month is July. So malapit na yung August, yung buwan kung saan talagang namamayagpag ang Philippine Vanda, no? And this is an endemic Vanda, no, dito sa Pilipinas. Ito yung mga Vanda sanderiana. Okay, tingnan natin because this one I really expect this, no? I really expect this to bear flowers kasi malaki na siya. As what I have told you, I bought this from Sir Carl Macaraig amounting to 7,500, no? Sa isang tindig, this is 7,500. I dived to the price kasi gusto kong makakita ng Vanda sanderiana o waling-waling pure, ha? Waling-waling na mamumulaklak dito sa garden. So, actually, meron tayong iilan dito na ini-expect na magbulaklak, pero tingnan nga natin kung merong spike. Ito kasi napaka-healthy niya, no? Okay, so tingnan natin kung merong spike. Okay. Kahit bukol, wala, no? Kahit bukol, wala. So, baka nag-a-adjust pa siya dito sa garden. But we will try to constantly monitor. No, we will try to constantly monitor this para kahit pa paano merong waling-waling na magbulaklak dito sa garden. Another one is this. No, I expect also of this to bloom kasi when I bought this from Ma'am Grace Claveria, no, still in North Cotabato. So meron itong flower. Okay. So meron talaga akong iilan dito na ini-expect na magkaroon ng flower kasi if you try to look at this, no, talagang they are already matured form. Ay, wait, no, I saw something. So pero kukuha tayo ng upuan kasi baka masira natin yung spike na aking nakita. Okay, no? We will get a chair. Saan na ba yung upuan? Okay, wait. Tingnan natin kasi meron akong nakita na spike. Wait. No? This is Vanda luzonnica. Wow, no? Napaka-healthy nung spike. Actually, I bought this from Sistuna Farm. Okay, yun. Nakita nyo yan? Okay, yan po, no? Yan. No, napaka-healthy nung spike. And this is, tingnan natin yung ID. This is, wait. This is MFB 116, no? This is MFB 116. So this is the first time that yan, no, napaka-healthy ng kanyang spike. Tsaka ito yung tinatawag nila na luzonnica, no? So at least, no, meron siyang, actually dati meron itong dalawang kiki, so I separated one. Meron na namang dalawa na maliliit. So yung ito, no, mas maganda dito, we have to separate this one. So it might be next week, no? Or wag muna natin siyang galawin kasi, no, tingnan ninyo, napaka-healthy po ng kanyang spike. So aantayin natin hanggang magbukas ang kanyang mga flowers. Okay. No? So I am so happy. No, talagang this is actually from a live selling of Ma'am Honey, no? Asan ba yung garden na yon? Sa Puentes P, no? Sa Puentes P na pala, no? MFB stands for Malagos Farm Vanda, no? MFB. Okay, so actually dalawa yan. Dalawa yan siya, no? Ito yung pangalawa. Okay, no? This is also, ito yung luzonnica. Hindi pala yun, no? So, ito yung luzonnica. MFB 149. Yun ay 116. Okay. So, tingnan ninyo. Maganda din siya. Kaso nga lang, wala pa siyang spike. No? Pero napaka-healthy po niya. Okay. So, this one. This is also, I consider, this is a Vanda limbata. No? Tingnan niyo. This is limbata. And this is actually coming from Indonesia, no? Okay, so quick walk, sabi ko nga quick walk, no? Pero medyo mahaba-haba na yung ating pag-uusap. So yan, no? So I will let you see my sun banda here, no? Yung iba merong bukol, yung iba faded na, no? Kasi 2 weeks tayong hindi nakapunta dito sa garden because last week I had a commitment, no, for a matatag seminar. I am kasi a learning facilitator. Okay, so kaya hindi tayo nakabisita last week. So yung iba hindi na natin naabutan, however yung iba talagang, no, napakaganda po nila. Okay, so this one, no, this one napakaganda niya. Another variety ito sa garden. This one as well. Yun po, no? Yan. Maganda yan. So, this one here, itong aking mga sunbanda talagang napakaganda na po nila. Okay. Yan po. So, yan ang unidentified banda. Okay. So, dito, okay, tingnan niyo yung aking this is my Marie, no? Wala pa talaga siyang kiki. Sana magkaroon ng kiki. Merong binigay sa akin si Sir Mo na kiki paste. Try kong lagyan yung kanyang katawan, no? So baka maghimala, magkaroon ng kiki. Even yung aking banda Merili. Nag-iisang banda Merili na hindi talaga siya nagkaroon ng kiki, no? Ito napakahaba na ng kanyang katawan. So later, I will put a kiki paste and then let us try to see para magkaroon siya ng kiki. Okay. So, yun lang po siguro. Kasi medyo mahaba na po yung ating usapan. This is just a quick walk. And until next time, no? Magandang umaga sa lahat. And God bless everyone.